In this lockdown phase, when we are staying at home, obeying social distancing, can we sit idle? We can see that what the big tycoons are saying us, and we can also see that how Facebook, Canva, Placeit or Adobe is helping us to grow our business during this tough time. Hello friends, my name is Sumit Sharma. I am an SEO strategist. We request you to please watch this video till the end, and if you like it, then please like and share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed this channel till now, then please subscribe this channel, press the bell icon so that you will get the latest updates on digital marketing. Now, as we all are aware that COVID-19 is spreading across the world. Almost every country has reported the cases, but the impact is uneven. In the past 7 days, about 46% confirmed new cases have been reported in Europe and 39% cases are reported in US. India too has seen significant increase in the cases since the beginning of April, and basis on that our Prime Minister has extended the lockdown till 3rd of May. Source McKinsey and Company. In today's video we will highlight that how Facebook is helping the businesses, what are the tips which Facebook is offering, and what are those templates which Facebook has shared. And these templates you can tailor and post it on your FB walls. To know more about these in detail, let's proceed to the laptop screen. So friends, Facebook has added a new tab. This is COVID-19 resources. Even when you go to the link facebook.com/business, so here either you can see a black stripe with COVID-19 resources. We are here to help your business through the coronavirus outbreak. Learn more. Either you can click on learn more, or you can directly go to this particular tab, or when you go to these slides, so there is one slide, manage your business through COVID-19, learn more. So you can click any of these and then you will go to this particular page, that is facebook.com/business/boost/resource. And here it says that at Facebook we are working to keep people safe and informed about the recent outbreak of coronavirus COVID-19. We know that as member of the communities you serve, businesses like yours may also be experiencing unexpected challenges, and we are committed to provide as much support as possible. Now these are the 5 magical steps which you can take today, and very similar to these steps we have also prepared one video and I have shared that link in the I button. You can go from there as well, like when you are in lockdown, so what all steps you can do to groom your business. Now as for Facebook, keep yourself safe and informed, and here they have shared the latest updates of WHO, so you can go directly from this link and check the latest update. And if we go down, it is saying stay in touch with your customers. We need to share the important information to our customers proactively by using emails or the website or Facebook page, and the main agenda is that we need to stay connected. And during this outbreak time, when offline we can't do much things because of social distancing, so the best thing we can do, that we can do our business online by promoting the gift card through Facebook page or through our business, or we can attach those gift cards on our website. And during this time when we are staying at home, maintaining the social distancing, what we can do the best, we can prepare a customer service plan, and also side by side we can prepare the FAQs, like those questions which a customers usually ask. So if we can prepare a tailor-made answers, for example, if you are running a gym and most of the time the customers have one question like, can I cancel my membership? So in that case the answer should be, of course we can cancel your membership. Once your membership is cancelled, the spent amount from your original purchase will be refunded to your account. We look forward to do business with you again soon. So these kind of FAQs can be prepared during this lockdown. Now there is one very important announcement, small business grant program. As per Facebook, we have heard from small businesses that a little financial support can go a long way. So we are offering $100 million in cash grant and an ad credit to help during this challenging time. And to learn more, if we click on this, it will take to another page that is precisely on grant and how this program can help. It can keep your workforce going strong. It can help in paying your rent costs or to connect with more customers. Now, who all are eligible? So it says that up to 30,000 eligible small businesses in more than 30 countries. Now, to be eligible for grant, it shows that you should have between 2 to 50 employees and your business should be running for more than a year. And if you want to check the location, you can click here, see available locations. At present, all the locations of United States, they have been sanctioned. And for others, you need to sign up a program. For this, you need to sign up with your official email and selecting the country. Now, after that, it says that you can explore the guides tailored according to your industry, like in which industry you are, whether it's a restaurant or it's a retail industry or a saloon or a fitness program or partner or agencies or a media. Here, if I click on saloon and spas, here you will see a welcome message like we recognize this uncertain time can create unique challenges for saloons and spas. That's why we are working to provide helpful information and support during this time. Now if we go down, so here it shows that the four things your business can do to adapt and respond. Mean during this lockdown time, you can concentrate on these four things like stay connected with people, consider ways to keep your business running, keep your employees safe and informed, get examples and inspiration. So by clicking on one by one, you can see like consider ways to keep your business running because this is a crunch time and most of the things they are not working offline. So here you can share the gift cards and credit so that once this lockdown will open, so in that case, these will start work and you can prompt your customers for online purchases and keep your employees safe and informed. And these are some of the examples and inspiration. In the same way, you can find the other industries like restaurants, retails, fitness, etc. And there are two guides which are here like resilience toolkit and quick action guide. These are very beneficial. These are in PDF form. You can download and read. And the sole motive is to keep your business moving forward. And there is one PDF whose link I have shared in the description. So you can access that PDF as well. And that particular PDF is getting your workplace ready in COVID-19. And there is one good thing like for all these small businesses, Facebook is creating one particular group. If you are staying in US, or UK or India or Canada. So you can join their business community. Like if I click on India, it takes me to this particular page and I have already joined it. Otherwise, it will ask the email address and some of the questions that why you want to join this group. And these are some of the ground rules for this particular group that no promotion or spam activity is allowed in this group, and this group is precisely for India, and you can share here the personal profiles only. And please, it's not a job board and no political or religious content is allowed in this group. Now Facebook is providing a set of template to help these small businesses. As per Facebook, we know that many businesses are facing unexpected challenges at this moment, including keeping in touch with customers. So we wanted to share a few things that you can do to get ahead of these challenges and stay connected. Now, how we can connect with our customers? By these ready-made post template which Facebook is providing to place your order or to shop online or to get support or to sell gift cards and expressing your gratitude towards customers. Now you can see in placing orders, it's actually letting your customers to know how they can contact you to place the orders. And you can see that these templates, they look awesome. It is giving the option to download. You can download them and you can tailor made as per your choice. It is mainly to maintain a good customer relationship. For example, any of your customer on WhatsApp, just type hello. So in that case, the response from your side, it's like, hi, thanks for your message. Our retail store is closed, but we are still taking orders online. Send us a message or check out our website. Now, this is also a very good time to take your events online. From your Facebook business page, you can arrange some event online. Like if you are a yoga trainer, you can put a tripod in front and you can come on Facebook Live. And in this case, our suggestion is that you should use a Wi-Fi instead of mobile data so that your video will be smooth. Now you can see here these tailor-made templates. These are for placing order and to shop online, mean encouraging your customers to shop more and more online. And these are for getting support or to generate the gift cards and share them with your customers. And you can also express your gratitude towards them, that how they are connected with you. And during this lockdown phase, you can answer the customer's question through the Facebook Messenger or Instagram or through WhatsApp. So friends, that was all from our side in this video. Here we explained you that how Facebook is offering. Here we explained you the tips which can be very beneficial in growing your business through Facebook. And we also shared the templates which Facebook has given and which you can tailor upon to post on your FB walls. Their links also we have shared in the description box. If you like this video, then please like it and share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon so that you will get the latest updates on digital marketing. Hope we'll get rid of this coronavirus and our economy will come back to the track. Bye bye, take care and enjoy learning digital marketing through our videos. Thank you.